Hey, give me those glasses right now, you slowpoke! No! Oh no! Where did my glasses go? Everything is blurry! Catch me if you can, you silly, sightless, blind bat! Please give them back to me! I cannot see anything! What is Liam doing? That is so sudden and crazy. Liam, stop running around the classroom right this very minute! Reach up high if you want your precious specs back. Please stop playing. I really need my glasses to see. Too slow. Now it is in my left hand, silly. Here you go. Just kidding. You cannot catch it at all.
Liam is just joking around. Do not be so serious.
I feel so dizzy and scared without my visual glasses. Ouch! I just bumped my leg hard against this desk. Whoa! Whoa! I am losing my balance and falling down now. I got you. Be careful. Do not hurt yourself, friend. Liam, return his glasses immediately. That is not funny at all. I am standing right here to protect him from you.
Relax, Mia. We are just having a little friendly fun.
He has very severe myopia and cannot function without them. Without his proper glasses, the entire world is completely dark. I feel so helpless and sad when people tease me.
Liam, give his glasses back to him.
Stop teasing him, Lee. That is mean and unfair. Wait, is he actually that upset about a simple game? All students must return to their seats immediately and sit. Can someone explain to me what just happened right here? Liam snatched his glasses off and ran around the room. I am trying hard to squint, but I cannot see. Liam, look at me. Your behavior is unacceptable today. I am holding the glasses, but I did not mean bad. Hand those glasses, oh classmate, right now. Liam. Here are your glasses back. I am sorry for taking them. Thank you, teacher. Now I can breathe again and see everything clearly. Liam, please step up to the front of the classroom. Put on these blurry simulation and look at the board. Okay, I am squinting my eyes as hard as possible. I cannot read any single word written on the board. Everything in front of my face is totally blurry. Now observe how difficult it is for Leo to see anything. How do you feel right now without your clear vision? I feel confused, helpless, and afraid of falling down now. I did not realize how scary it was for him. I feel truly terrible for mocking my friend's bad eyesight. Remember, children, for many people, glasses act just like a second pair of eyes. Glasses are essential medical tools, not simple toys for playing. Losing visual clarity can lead to very dangerous physical situations. You could easily stumble and fall down the sharp stairs. Never make fun of someone's physical weaknesses or struggles, ever. We all need to listen carefully to this important lesson. I am sincerely sorry for taking your glasses earlier today. I thought it was funny, but it was really foolish. I understand now how wrong my actions were to you. Thank you for understanding. I accept your sincere apology today. It is okay, and let us move forward as good friends. Hello! It's vocabulary time! Seize, blurry, empathy, forgive, forgive.